Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Food with Charm. Today I'm making hot wings with a touch of lemon. It's really delicious. It's very easy to make. I love throwing these in the air fryer because it doesn't take that much effort, but yet it's delicious. We're going to be needing these ingredients. I have a bag of party wings, but I'm only going to use enough to fill the air fryer. And you see I have a lemon, and then I have from McDonald's the leftover ranch dressing that I love to use as a dipping sauce. Then we have the seasonings. I'm going to be spraying it with olive oil, and then these are the different seasonings I'm going to be using. Okay, so I'm gonna go on and put it in the air fryer. It is still frozen. This is literally when you don't have anything thawed out. You need something real quick. Great for after school, great for on the go when you don't have a lot of time. So here we go. I'm going to be spraying this with the extra virgin olive oil, just so that the seasoning will stick. And remember, my chicken is still frozen, so it's going to cook. I'm going to have to cook it double. Okay, so I have, that's the Old Bay seasoning. Then I have lemon pepper I'm using. And then I'm going to have, that's just called meat for some reason. It's a store brand meat blend seasoning. And then I'm going to be using the paprika. Okay, so nice and flavorful. Okay, so I'm gonna go on and put that in, and it's gonna be for 20 minutes at 360 degrees. Every air fryer is different, so mine I just hit chicken. Okay, now it's done. 20 minutes are up. I'm going to turn my pieces of chicken over, and then I am going to season it yet again. I'm going to repeat that same seasoning, and then I'm going to put it in again on chicken, which will be 20 minutes at 360 degrees. And I know that says 400. I'm changing it. So while that was cooking, I got my lemon. I did wash it off, let it dry off, cut it, and I have a few slices I'm going to add, and then I'm going to go on and squeeze some lemon juice over it. I didn't want to do it while it was in the air fryer because I didn't want my lemon pieces to dry out, and I wanted it to be nice and hot. Spicy hot, and then put my lemon flavoring on top. So as you could see, it has a beautiful color, nice and juicy. It has a juice that you can also pour over the chicken. It has a wonderful, wonderful color, and it is so delicious, and it is tender. So that was, for it being frozen, it took 40 minutes, 20 on one side and 20 on the other. Now I've got my ranch. This was so delicious, easy to make. Thank you for coming to Food with Charm. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Food with Charm.